Authorities say a bad batch of drugs is circulating in Yakima County. It's costing people their lives. Apple Valley News Now's Emily Goodell reports 2 people have died from a drug overdose in just the past 24 hours.
In the time between calling the coroner's office about this story to actually doing the interview, the overdose death count for this year went up from 129 to 131. That's up from 96 overdose deaths last year. The past couple of months especially troubling. 20 fatal overdoses just in November.
Yeah, I think there's a bad batch out there.
At least 46 deaths from fentanyl alone.
Mostly now they're just powder, snorting it or burning it and smoking it.
19 deaths from methamphetamine and another 19 deaths from a combination of the two.
You buy them off the streets, you could be getting anything.
The number of people taking that risk even higher.
It does come and go in waves depending on how strong of a batch fentanyl has come up, but the trend is more and more deaths and more overdoses.
The Yakima Fire Department responding to over 500 overdose calls just since September 1st. Station 91, which only covers a sixth of the city, at one point responding to 18 overdoses within 48 hours.
What's common now is because Narcan is so readily available that we're showing up on scene and the patient is walking away, or we can't even find them because they've been given Narcan by a bystander.
But people still need to get medical help.
Narcan has what we call a short shelf life, and your body will metabolize it while still having fentanyl in it, and it can potentially overdose again.
In Washington state, the opioid reversal drug naloxone, the generic for Narcan, is available free online or over the counter without a prescription.
Well, a lot of people have varying opinions on carrying Narcan, but it's not going to hurt anything, and it can definitely benefit and save someone's life at some point in time.
The Yakima Health District also has free naloxone available in vending machines in Yakima, at the OIC building on Fruitvale, and at Yakima in Toppenish. Reporting from the Yakima newsroom, Emily Goodell, Apple Valley News Now.
All right, Emily, thank you. If you or someone you love in Yakima County is currently struggling with substance use disorder, there are resources available. Anyone can go to the Triumph Treatment Service office at 120 South 3rd Street in the county to speak with someone about getting help. They have a 28-day inpatient program for men and women, a 6-month parenting program for women and their children, peer support services, and outpatient mental health services, all to help people like Josh King.
I go to my classes here, and they're really good. They've been really good to me. They've helped me do everything. It's all been positive.
We will hear more about his specific journey coming up tomorrow, and about how Triumph Treatment Services is working to help others struggling with substance use disorder.